Clarification by the Cambodian Human Rights Committee. Committing criminal offense is not an exercise of human rights. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee, CHRC, strongly deplores the groundless, erroneous, and highly politicized statement of the ASEAN Parliamentarians for Human Rights, APHR, dated 29 August 2024. The statement does not reflect the human rights situation in Cambodia. Given the biased and unilateral natures of this statement, the CHRC responds and clarifies as follows. 1. APHR is neither institutionally representative of nor integral to ASEAN mechanism. To score a political goal, certain self-branded human rights and democracy advocates with limited knowledge of Cambodian history, culture, and society, as well as international law, manipulate and unsaintly act as judges in the internal affair of a sovereign state. In doing so, these organizations appear condescending, making groundless claims and prejudiced remarks that deliberately support criminality. 2. Article 29.2 of the Universal Declarations of Human Rights, UDHR, and Articles 19.3 and 21 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR, stipulates that the exercise of the rights to freedom of expression and right of peaceful assembly is not absolute. It carries with it special duties and responsibilities, taking into account certain restrictions provided by law that are necessary for the protections of national security or public order. Bombarding the public with malicious intent on a border-related issue with fabricated materials, spreading fake news, jeopardizing national security and order, and attempting a coup against a democratically elected government does not equate to the exercise of rights and freedoms, but rather constitutes as crimes. The same holds true in any other democratic society. 3. The arrests of the referred suspects are based on concrete evidence that shows that these individuals publicized threats and disseminated misinformation for the purpose of inciting the masses to hold a color revolution and commit various acts of violence to topple the monarchy and the democratically elected government of Cambodia. 4. Likewise, the recent arrest of protesters against the Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam's Development Triangle Area, CLVDTA, are not because they exercised their right to freedom of expression or right of peaceful assembly, but due to their malicious intent to cause instability and incite the use of violence. As with any democratic society, these actions constitute criminal offenses as stipulated in the Cambodian Criminal Code. In response to these criminal conduct, authorities, as a first step, undertook administrative procedures and measures to prevent further escalations, such as providing truthful and credible information on the matter and allowing misinformed individuals to return home. Regarding individuals who are suspected to have committed or conspired to commit more serious crimes, the authorities took proportional measures in accordance with Cambodian law, including arrests for the purpose of maintaining public order and national security. In such cases, authorities found disturbing evidence, such as modified guns, weaponized drones, and other dangerous weapons. 5. The release of a statement to pressure and order the judiciary to immediately release any suspects and drop charges is a violation of the judiciary's independence and encourages disrespect for the rules of law. The protection of human rights is inseparable from the rule of law. The court's independence decisions strictly adheres to the principles of legality and due process, a fundamental human right that provides the accused with the right to a fair trial and an opportunity to be heard and challenge every evidence or witness put against them. 6. Human rights are guaranteed by the Cambodian Constitution. In Cambodia, millions are able to use a variety of social media channels, including Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp, to express their opinions in a free and enabling environment. Furthermore, over 2,000 media outlets and thousands of journalists, including those critical of the government, have been operating in a traditional and digital manners without prior censorship. Cambodia remains resolute to the commitment of pursuing a pluralistic, inclusive, and democratic society with the promotions and protections of human rights. The CHRC strongly implores all relevant stakeholders to conduct comprehensive research and verify information thoroughly before forming any inclusive opinions related to the human rights situation in Cambodia. The general principles for assessing human rights in any country should take into account its historical factors, geography, culture, traditions, customs, beliefs, religions, and political context. For more information, please contact CHRC spokespersons, His Excellency Papa Narada, at 012-686-798 and His Excellency Srin Chandar at 077-335-644.